Okay, good morning. We are at Tuesday, April 21st. We just took an assessment on two-dimensional, like surface area, how much paint would need to cover this. Now we're going to talk about how much space is inside of a rectangular prism. Okay, how much space is inside, whether it be water, coffee, whipped cream, whatever it may be. So how much could fit inside. And that refers to as the volume of an object, and volume of an object will always be labeled cubed, whether it's centimeters, cubed, inches, cubed, feet, cubed, and so forth. And it's cubed 3 because a rectangular prism has 3 dimensions: our height, our length, and our width. So to get questions correct, you need to label those correct. So anytime you see a volume or how much space is inside of something, it is labeled as cubed, or the little power of 3 on top of the unit: centimeters, inches, feet, whatever it may be. Okay, so we'll do a problem to get started here. So let's say we had a rectangular prism. Like so, and it had dimensions of 2 by 5 by 6. So this is a 6, this is a 6, this is a 5, that's a 5, and that's a 2, and that's a 2. Now let's say we wanted to fill this up with water. Okay, so first thing you find is the area of the base. And the base would be the bottom. Okay? So that would be a 2 by 5. So if this was a height of 1, we'll draw a little unit cubes to help you out. 2, 3, 4. So we have we have 10 unit cubes, or 10 is the base of this object. There's 10 unit cubes because it's 1. We're talking 1 high, which is the area of the bottom. So there's 10, 2 by 5, and or how many, or 2 by 5 by 1, which would be 10 unit cubes. Okay? 10 is our bottom. So then how many layers high, which is basically the height. How tall is it? And this has 6 identical layers. So 6 identical layers of these. So we have, because it's a height of 6, so 6 identical layers of this 10 would be stacked on top of each other. So it is 6. So I have 6 times 10. So 60 unit cubes could fit in this object. Okay? We'll do another one. All right. That was a 2 by 5 by 6. And once again, it doesn't matter if, let's say, my height was 2 and my length was 6, or my width was per se, and let's say it was like this. It wouldn't change a thing. It's still the same prism. It's just on a different, it's tilted differently or shown differently. So once again, we want to figure out how many unit cubes are in the bottom. And I can quickly draw those for you. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 30 of these identical cubes in that bottom layer, because 6 by 5 is 30 of those in the area of the base. So area of base is 30, and how many layers? There's 2, so 30 times 2, 60 units cubed again. Okay, so this would be 60 unit cubes because our area of our base is 30, identical layers 2, so it's the exact same prism, just drawn differently with the same dimensions, and you still get an answer of 60 unit cubes. That means there are 60 unit cubes of water could fit in that object. There'll be questions today on Canvas. Please take a look. Have a great day.